What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV. Today we're coming to you from Hong Kong. We're going to do some market shopping, show you guys what some of these markets look like. I'm actually here in Wan Chai, going to explore the electric market, and I'm also walking through this market where you can get all types of different things, from herbs and natural medicines to shoes and fruits and veggies and food, soup. Let's go walking through here. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit more overview of the food here. You can see those fish balls there, or beef balls actually. And then, I mean, this is just the start of it. I'll have to make a full video about this, but you can see the chicken and the ducks. Hong Kong noodle. Ribs, seafood, So the reason they do the still alive is to show that it's fresh. So if they, because sometimes when you get dead seafood, you don't know how fresh it is. So that's why they do this still alive stuff. That's pretty good. Looks like some liver. Pork, pig head, red bok choy, a whole bunch of variety up in here in Wan Chai. There's crabs. Who's that? Is that dried octopus? dried squid, dried shrimp, dried oyster. That's dried oyster. Dried sardines. Oop. Dried shrimp. So now we're coming up on a seafood market where you're going to see all types of dried out seafoods. This is quite an interesting little market area. I don't know what that is. You'll see everything from dried out oysters to dried shrimp. See pineapples. Huh. Let's see what else they got in here. What is that? Some sort of mushroom? Sort of nut? Some sort of thin? Looks like they got some ginseng here. There's those oyster, some scallops, some shrimp. Very nice. Sea cucumbers. Seahorse, look at that, seahorse. What do they got here? Conch. All right, so when you go to China, you're gonna need this, but this is a converter. You can get them for like $2 at any market, $2 US. So you can see that's the Chinese plug to go to 220 and it's universal. You're gonna need that. So anyways, guys. All right, to finish this video, I just wanted to show you guys this hotel here. They're really small in Hong Kong. I mean, even if you go into some people's houses, you'll discover they're really living in small houses. Please don't mind the mess. I am a little bit sick. I know it's a little bit messy, but look at this view down there. And I also wanted to show you guys the power receptacle. So you are going to need a converter. Let me see if I can find the actual unit.